What type of landing page offers you've seen work best for wedding photographers? You may not know, but we used to do wedding photography a long time ago. We started the business as traditional photographers doing weddings, portraits, family portraits, headshots, events, and things like that. And this is how I got really good at Google Ads because I use Google Ads for our photography business. And I know everything and anything you need to know about wedding photography and how to use Google Ads profitably. Unfortunately, most wedding photographers don't realize the potential of Google Ads. They want a very quick return on investment. Now, you being a wedding photographer know how much competition is out there. You need to stand out. And the only way you're going to stand out is, first of all, start using video ads. Start offering value upfront like I'm doing right now. I've been doing this for the last 4 years. Live streaming before COVID, well, just before the first COVID started. And we continue to offer value because building up that trust, building up the brand is critical. And then you see how your business explodes. So you've got to invest your time and resources in running search ads. All they do is go on search ads. That's it. Go on display, show your photos, your beautiful pictures because it's very visual. Target websites like show my ads to brides who go to websites like for engagement rings, wedding dresses, car hire, venues. There are so many different suppliers for every wedding. Target all of these people, and then your ads are going to follow that bride all over the internet, and you're going to get leads. If you open up a new tab and type in Google Ads wedding photographers, you will see on that first page, out of usually Google shows 4 videos. Those of you who are online, just put it in the comment. How many videos do you see? 2 or 3, sometimes more. And that is how I get myself in front of my audience. So somebody like you who's looking for how to do Google Ads for wedding photographers or wedding photography business, I want my video, I want my blog post to come up on Google and on YouTube. And this is how I generate leads. So the best work, I would say, and I'm not bragging, is my own work. Because I've not seen any other wedding photographer other than those who I have mentored and tutored come up with some very creative way of setting up landing pages and offers. All they do is a free engagement shoot. That's about it. That's the most creative I have seen. But there's a lot more other ways of being creative and giving an offer which the couple cannot resist. So you need to think outside the box and think a bit more creatively.